Hi, Mignonette Bailey here, checking in from the garden with your down and dirty garden tip. My tip for you today is identify your garden allies. Yes, your allies. I know that's a strong word, but listen, gardening can be a battle. You need to know who is on your side. The great news is you definitely have some helpers in your garden that will help you along. Bugs like earthworms, pollinators such as bees, wasps, butterflies are certainly on your side. Ladybugs are a great garden friend, and even spiders. So when you get ready to garden, know that you have some helpers there that are going to push you further along. If this gardening tip is helpful, head over to Amphy and sign up for my gardening classes. I would love to be part of your gardening journey. Happy growing.